Now we are gonna look at how kimchi is made in this factory to make sure that kimchi isn't just some rotten cabbage. By the way, the process gets really interesting towards the end, and you don't wanna miss that. It would be interesting if they had some really high quality cabbage, such as from organic or indoor farms, so that the kimchi would be even more healthy than it is. Cutting. This is like a ASMR video. Well, with a bag like this, if it's natural salt and not like artificially manufactured, then the production must be also a bit expensive because salt isn't really that cheap. Nice noises. Mm-hmm. These guys look like from Squid Game or something. Wait, was it a metal detector? Oh, now we can see here the difference in quality control between this kimchi factory and the ketchup one that I was reviewing a while ago, because the only detector I saw there was a potato detector, but this factory is on a whole another level. Okay, some nice seasoning. One will think, or at least I would think, that all of the production from the fields and stuff goes into actual supermarkets or restaurants for people to consume. But we see here that a substantial amount of those vegetables actually goes to companies like these that process them, and only then the food gets to humans. The other guy at least like untied the bag from the bottom, but this guy said, "Fuck it, I'm just gonna cut right through." Nice wash. When I saw this machine, I was like, wow, this ain't gonna wash them much, but they actually look polished now. Oh, this is a cool machine. Imagine having this machine at home to peel all of your potatoes and stuff. Gravy. Nice. Well, apparently a lot of stuff goes into kimchi. Okay. What's this? Ooh, nice. I hope that they clean this machine regularly. Oh, this isn't that appetizing. Nice. Fuck. And to address why many people think that kimchi is made from rotten cabbage is that it smells very bad, but that's actually due to lactic acid fermentation, through which the sour flavor and the bad smell is generated. And actually, it's quite the opposite. The lactobacilli kill the bacteria that would make the cabbage go bad. So, through making kimchi, you actually make the cabbage healthier and tastier. Thanks for watching my video, and see you next time.